Hello children, welcome to your math class. Now we have already finished with our term 1 exams. So now we will start with our new chapters. So now children, you already know that you have two books for maths. One is semester 1, so we have already done all the chapters for semester 1 for term 1. So now we will start with the new chapters in your content book, that is semester 2. So the first lesson which you will learn is numbers up to 1000. Okay, so then our topics which you are going to learn in this chapter, in this class are grid, counting numbers 500 to 700, and you will and write numbers for the given number names. So children, you will learn how to write numbers from 500 to 700 by counting them, and to write numbers for the given number names. Okay children, now first we will learn how to write numbers from 500 to 600 in a grid. Okay children, now this is your grid. Just see, some numbers are written in this grid and some numbers are missing. So we will write some missing numbers. So now we will start counting from 500. So children, you can see here the second number is given, that is 502. So we will first, the first number here, the first number is missing, so we will write that number. So what comes before 502 and what comes after 500? Yes, it is 501. So 501, then 502. Now children, here you can see all these numbers are 3-digit numbers. So in all these missing numbers, only the digit at ones and tens place will change, and the digit that is on hundreds place here, it will not change, that is 5. So children, after 502, what comes after 2? Yes, 3. So next number will be 503. Now children, what comes after 3? Yes, 4. So next number will be 504. Now children, what comes after 4? Yes, 506. Sorry, 505. Now what comes after 5? 506. Now children, what comes after 6? Yes, 7, and it will be 507. Next number, it is 508. Then next 509. And what comes after 9? Yes, 10. And the next and the last number in the first line is 500. Yes, it is 510. Okay, so children, you can see in all the numbers the digit at ones place is changing, and in the last number, that is 510, that is 510 children. In this number you can see the digit at ones place and tens place both have changed, but the digit at hundreds place is not changing. So this way we are going to fill the grid. Now I'll show you the filled grid. Wait. So this is your grid children. So this way you have to fill the other numbers also, like after 510, see the second line, it is 511, then 512, then 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519 and 520 and so on. And at last children, here you can see after 599 what will come? Yes, what you have got, it is 600. Okay, so this way you have to count and you have to fill the grid. Okay, now we will learn that how we can write numbers from 600 to 700 by counting them in a grid. Okay children, now again this is your grid of the numbers from 600 to 700, and again you can see so many numbers are missing here. So we will write the missing numbers. Again here you can see the number is given, that is 602, the second number. So now we will write numbers after 600. So what will come after 600? It is 601, then 602. Now what will come after 602? What comes after 2? Yes, 3. So the next number will be 603. Then what comes after 3? Yes, 4. So next number will be 604. Then next number will be 605. Then 606. Then 607. Then 608. What comes after 8? Yes, 9. So next number 609. And at last what comes after 9? Yes, 10. So last number is 600. 10. Okay, so this way you have to count and write numbers from after 600, and again you can see only the digit at ones and tens place they are changing. The digit at hundreds place, here it is 6, it's not changing. So this way you have to fill the grid. So this is your filled grid. So after 610, here you can see 611, then after 11 612, 613, 614, 615, 616, 617, 618, 619, 620 and so on. At last after 699, which number will come? Yes, it is 700. Okay, so this way you have to write the numbers in a grid children by counting them. Okay children, now next topic is writing numbers for the given number names. Okay, so here ma'am has taken some examples. So now we will write the numbers for these number names. So you already know how to write number names, but now we will write for greater numbers. Okay, so first question or example is 568. So what is the number? It is 568. Okay, so this way you have to write. Now we'll see next question. Okay, so next is 625. So we will write 625. Okay, and now next is the last one is 700. So how you will write 700? 7 and 00. This is 700. So children, this way you have to write the numbers for the given number names. I hope everybody has understood how to write numbers for these number names.